Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm super excited to share one of my favorite comfort foods. It's called chicken stew with soy sauce and vinegar, also known as Filipino style chicken adobo. It's simple, flavorful, and perfect for any day. So let's get started. First, heat a pan with some oil. Get your sliced garlic and onions ready. Next, slice 2 tomatoes. Fry the garlic until it turns golden brown. Then add the onions and tomatoes and cook them together until they soften and become nice and mushy. Add some sliced chicken and mix it together with the sauteed garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Let it boil and add 1 cup of water. Add soy sauce, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Let it boil until the chicken becomes soft and tender. Adjust the taste as needed. And just like that, our chicken adobo is ready. You can also serve it with boiled eggs and salad. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my cozy and warm cooking channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy videos. I'll see you next time.